Let me now give you some reasons why building a custom social networking website may be a very lucrative or advantageous thing for you to do. According to Nielsen Online, social networks are now visited more often than personal email is read. Visiting social networking websites and blogs are now the most popular online activity. Fully 67% of the world's online population are now visiting these social networking sites, and the time they're spending on them is growing 3 times faster than the overall growth rate of the internet proper. Some social networking sites have grown to such enormous proportions that they rival entire countries in terms of population. If Facebook, for example, was a country, it would be the 3rd most populated in the world, right between India and the US. As social networks increasingly dominate communications in private lives, businesses of all sizes, from tiny startups to mid-sized companies like Nikon to large behemoths like Dell Computer, are adopting them for the workplace. Because of Facebook, most people are already comfortable with the idea of following their colleagues. You can register with a pre-existing social networking service like Facebook or MySpace, or build your own custom social networking websites. To create a social networking site, you can either register with a third-party social network provider or install a variety of very capable open source software on your server and be your own site administrator. According to a new survey from Robert Half Technology, an information technology staffing firm, 51% of businesses in the US let employees use social media websites such as Facebook and Twitter on the job as long as it's for business purposes. That's up from 19% in 2009. Businesses are embracing social media because the online networks put them in front of new customers, help them build a brand image, and connect them with professional associations and other employees. An article in the Las Vegas Review-Journal in the summer of 2011 illustrates a typical example of how local companies are using social media for a wide range of purposes. Nevada State Bank has used Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn to promote local philanthropies and publicize webinars and articles for small business owners and investors. Employees at a local architectural firm, Lucchese and Galati, are using the design studio's Facebook page to post project updates, trade barbs about the company's college basketball tournament pool, or conduct caption writing contests. It's an unbelievably valuable tool for businesses, hiring, and sales if it's used the right way, says architect Paul Kurtzman of the firm. So there you have some examples of the way that businesses are using social networks to solve various business problems. Let me now move on to the next section of this course and give you a more detailed definition of exactly what is a social network, including options for creating your own network, a review of hosted social networking solutions, examples of popular social networks, and much, much more.